Hi students, welcome to today's session, software testing. So before entering into the session, I'm quickly introduce myself. My name is Shobana. I'm working as assistant professor in Department of IT at RMK Engineering College. So in this semester, I'm handling the paper as software testing for you, and the code is 20IT902. It is an elective paper and it have a 3 credit. Okay, so now we go to the session. So first is, what is software? You already know about the software and all. Software means it's a collecting of computer program that help us to perform a task. So with the help of some program, you have to perform a task is called software. Okay, so nowadays you take a mobile phone as an example. So in your mobile phone, you have a lot of apps, that is some basic apps like gpay and whatsapp we have to use to share the information, and gpay is used for transaction the amount. So like that we have a lot of basic apps. So depending upon your requirement, you have to installing the app. Okay, how the every app have some software. So every day and every day to day the software play a vital role. Okay, yeah. And we come to the marketing side, means we have a different types of software is available. One is system software, programming software, application software. So system software means is nothing but the basic accessories of your system. Suppose when you switch on a computer, means what is the basic accessories? Your basic accessories is you connecting the keyboard and you connecting the mouse. If you need a printer, means you have to pin it the printer into the computer. So that is a device driver. And operating system means what are the operating system you needed for Linux, Unix. We have a lot of operating system, no Windows. So like that, depending upon your needed, you have to installing the basic operating system in your system, and services and utilities, etc. And second one is programming software. Programming software in the sense is nothing but, so depending upon your programming languages, you have to install the software. Suppose some person choose the c programming software, means they install the c programming software. So I want to implement my program in a java, means I have to install the java c compiler. So like that, php, we have a lot of programming software is there. We have a lot of open sources is there. So depending upon our requirement, we have to install it. And the third one, main one, is application software. So in that application software, we have to segregating into three way. One is web application, and second one is mobile application, and third one is desktop application. Web application means what? By using the internet, we have to do the whatever things that is, suppose I want to buy any product, means so I, by using the amazon and flipkart, we have a lot of web applications nowadays. So by using that web application, I have to buy that product. And also I want to get any information, means by using the google I have to get it. So that is a web application. Mobile application means I already told. Depending upon your needs, you have to install your mobile app from the Play Store. And desktop application means without using the internet, that is your system having the notepad, microsoft, and excel. So these are the desktop application. So this is some basic types of software. So in that software application, why we need a software testing process means, why we need a software testing process means, let's see one simple example. So after completing this example, you just know about what is software testing. Okay, so consider this is one simple example. I will take one bank. Okay, the name is X bank. Okay, so this bank doing some transaction manually. Okay, but after a couple of weeks, they will switch over that manual process to the automated process. So in that we need a software. So the bank approaches one IT company. Okay, yeah. So they will explain their requirements and need of the particular bank. So the IT company understand their requirement and budget, and they will put an agreement to develop the software. Once the software is developed, then it will come to the testing process. So in that testing process, what they do, they will test whether this software is suitable for the customer requirements or not. If it is applied the software to the real time scenarios, means it is suitable for the customer needs or not, it is a user friendly or not. So all the stage should be under in your testing process. Once the testing process it's over, yeah, yes, the software is applicable, this is a good software for the customer side, means you should deliver that software to the X bank. So that is the process of software testing. So software testing means what? It is a part of software developing process, and it's used to detect and identifying the defects in the software, and the main role is used to releasing the high quality product to the client side. That is the main role of software testing. So this is a definition of software testing, is defined as an activity to check whether the actual result match the expected result, and to ensuring that the software system is a defect free. So this is a definition of software testing. The main goal is what? By using the software testing process, you should release the high quality of product to the client side. So how you identifying the high quality parameters, means by using these parameters, that is bug free, delivered on time, within budget, meet requires and or expectation, and maintainability. Bug free means what? Your software does not contain any bug. That is the meaning of bug free. Deliver on time means within that stipulated time you must deliver the product. And within budget means they will give some budget. So with that budget you have to finish the project. And meets requirements, depending upon their requirement you fulfill your project. And maintainability, it is a user friendly or not. Okay. And next one is so this is the basic terminologies, basic parameters need for releasing the high quality software. And next one is some basic terminologies used for software testing. What are the basic terminologies? Means what is product, what is project, and what is the error, failure, defects, like that. Okay, yeah. Project in the sense, this and all you already know the idea about this. What is product, project, like that. But in software application, the project is specifying the customer need for the single person, and product means it's specifying the multiple customer and single customer, in the sense the project is specifying only any one organization. So you have to pick any one organization. The organization give their requirement, and you have to build that requirement, and you have to implementing the project. Product in the sense it's depending upon the market requirement, you have to implement the product. That is the difference of the project and product. Okay, yeah? And error means is nothing but a normal mistake. Suppose we want to developer means you and me only, so we want to develop anything, means in the meanwhile we have to find out any error, unpredictable error, or sometimes in mistake the any error come, means that is we name it as a error. And bug means is not working with the customer requirement, it is found out by the tester. How it is found out means, suppose you have all are having the Gmail. So what is the process? If you are entering the valid mail only, it will go to the inbox. Okay, suppose if you are entering the invalid, it will go to the inbox, means that is a bug. It is a mismatching statement. And failure in the sense, so you consider it is a deviation is identifying the end user action, that is customer only found it. How it found it means, so suppose you brought any mobile phone, you have to use that mobile phone in a couple of days. So after the couple of days, you are in your mobile one software is not you is not opening, is not working. So that is the failure of your product. So these are the some miscommunication, software complexity, programming, changing requirements, lack of skilled test. So these are some errors and bugs occurs in your software testings. Okay, so this is the some basic and introductions of software testing. Thank you so much, students. We will see you on next class.